Hello, momshies and children. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Tindangers83. So for today's vlog, children and momshies, we have a new lesson. Before that, I am your teacher today. You can call me Teacher Beth. And our lesson for today, children, is all about the sound of a letter H. So what is the sound of a letter H? Okay, children, look at my mouth. You are going to tell like this. Huh, huh, huh. Do you get it, children? Okay, very good. So, children, before we go on to our different pictures with the beginning sound of huh, let us sing a song. You can sing with me, children. Okay, are you ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Hammer, hand, helmets and hats. Hammer, hand, helmets and hats. Hammer, hand, helmets and hats. Start with the sound of ha, ha, ha. Okay, do you get it, children? Okay, let us sing it again. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hammer, hand, helmets and hats. Hammer, hand, helmets and hats. Hammer, hand, helmets and hats. Start with the sound of ha, ha, ha. Okay, children, very good. Clap your hands. Okay, children, as you can hear the song, the sound always goes ha, ha, ha. So that is the sound of the letter H. Now, moving on to our different pictures with the beginning sound of huh. Okay, look at this picture, children. Okay, what is the name of this picture? Okay, very good. This is a hammer. Hammer. And the beginning sound is huh, huh, huh. Hammer. Hammer. And the beginning sound is huh, huh. Very good, children. Okay, children, our second picture. Okay, look at the board. What is the name of this picture? Okay, very good. This is helmet. Helmet. And the beginning sound is huh, huh, huh. Helmet. And the beginning sound is huh, huh. Helmet. And the beginning sound is huh, huh. Okay, children, our third picture. This is, what is this? Okay, very good. This is a house. House, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. House, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. House, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. Our next picture, children. Okay, look at the board. This is a hen. Hen, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. Hen, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. Hen, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. Our next picture, children. Okay, look at this. This is a hat. Hat, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. Hat, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. Our last picture, children. Okay, this is a horse. Horse, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. Horse, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. Okay, we are now done on different pictures with the beginning sound of huh. Okay, let us recall. Okay, children, look at this. Do you still remember what is the name of this picture? Okay, very good. This is hammer. Hammer, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. Our second picture, this is helmet. Helmet, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. Our next picture, this is a house. House, and the beginning sound is huh, huh. And our next picture, this is a hen. Hen, and the beginning sound is h, h. Our next picture, this is a hat. Hat, and the beginning sound is h, h. And our last picture, children, this is a horse. Horse, and the beginning sound is h, h. All of these picture, children, the beginning sound is h, h, h. Again, this is hammer, and the beginning sound is h. This is helmet, and the beginning sound is h. And this is a house, and the beginning sound is h. This is a hen, and the beginning sound is h. This is a hat, and the beginning sound is h. And this is a horse. The beginning sound is h. Okay, all of these picture, children, the beginning sound is h, h, h. Okay, children, we are now done in recognizing those different pictures with the beginning sound of h, h. Today, we are now going to study on how to write the sound of h, h. Okay, before that, look at my finger, children. You are going to write the big and the small h sound like this. Okay, in writing the big h sound, look at my finger. You are going to write a straight line from blue line down to the blue line. So this is the straight line. And another straight line. At the middle of the red line, you are going to write a horizontal line. So that is the big h sound. Straight line, another straight line, and a horizontal line across the red line. So that is the big h sound. But how about the small h sound? Okay, look at my finger, children. You are going to write like this. Straight line and a curve. Upper curve. Straight line and upper curve. So that is the small h sound. Okay, children, we are now going to study on how to write the big and the small h sound. Okay, look at the board, children. As you can see, there are different colors of lines, right? This is a blue line, a red line, and another blue line. If you have your grade 1 paper at your side, okay, look at your paper. There are different colors of line, right? Okay, so how to write the big h sound? Okay, look at the board, children. Okay, you are going to write a straight line from blue line down to the blue line. So this is the first straight line. Okay, and you are going to write a horizontal line across the red line. Okay, look at this. This is a horizontal line across the red line. And after this, you are going to write another straight line from blue line down to the blue line. So this is on how to write the big h sound. Okay, children, look at this. Eyes on the board. You are going to write a straight line from blue line down to the blue line. And then another straight line from blue line down to the blue line. And a horizontal line across the red line. So this is on how to write the big h sound. Okay, so how about the small h sound? Okay, look at these, children. Eyes on the board. You are going to write a straight line from blue line down to the blue line and a upper curve from blue line down to the blue line. So this is the small h sound. Do you get it, children? Okay, let us write it again. Okay, look at this. A straight line from blue line down to the blue line. And then a horizontal line across the red line. And another straight line from blue line down to the blue line. This is the big h sound. Again, you are going to write a straight line from blue line down to the blue line. And another straight line blue line down to the blue line, and a horizontal line across the red line. So this is the big H sound. But how about the small H sound? Okay, look at this, children. You are going to write a straight line from blue line down to the blue line. And then a curve start from blue line down to the blue line. So this is the H sound. The big and the small H sound. Okay, do you get it, children? Okay, I hope you can write it in your paper. Okay, get your paper and you are going to write the big H sound and the small H sound. Okay, children? Okay, children, we are now done in recognizing those different features with the beginning sound of H. And also on how to write the big and the small H sound. Okay, children, I hope that you learn and enjoy in my video today. And if you have time at home, you practice writing, children. I know that you can do it. Okay, children? Thank you for watching. And again, this is your teacher, Teacher Bev, saying bye-bye.